Let's start with an introduction to Bridge Alliance. Can you share a bit how you work with your operator members?
Most happy to do that. So Bridge Alliance is a leading mobile alliance with 34 member operators. We serve over 1 billion customers across Asia Pacific, Middle East and Africa. So we provide a platform that facilitates the exchange of ideas, innovation and technology amongst our member operators so that they can shorten their learning curve as they implement new services, right? So we also form different work groups amongst them, so such as roaming, where the business managers and experts will come in, interact, and spearhead regional innovations and initiatives. So roaming has been our one of the many key focus areas on top of 5G, IoT, CPaaS, group sourcing and telco APIs more recently. It goes back all the way to 2004 when we first established, to ensure that there's seamless roaming across our member operators when customers travel from country to country. Right, specifically in the area of roaming, we also work closely with our core Bridge member operators, leveraging on their collective skill to engage strategic wholesale roaming partners. And we also look at various ways in providing innovative and/or differentiated roaming experience to travelers. Right? That's how we really work with our member operators.
What do you perceive to be the biggest opportunities, but also actions needed when we look at IoT roaming for operators to harness that opportunity?
I think developing a well-defined strategy for capitalizing on IoT roaming is really essential, right? Due to the diverse range of use cases involved, it is critical to really establish an approach so that we can maximize and optimize revenues for each use case. Equally important, we feel, is the availability of suitable tools and systems to monitor as well as comprehend what are some of the inbound IoT roaming usage patterns, as well as the seamless billing and settlement processes. So this becomes particularly important, right, in our view, as we see the demand for IoT roaming and the volume of IoT traffic that we are seeing today. We expect that to grow quite significantly over the coming years. Right? So beyond the volume increase, it's also the complexity that will come along with it. So we think BCE may offer potentially a solution for us to address some of the more complex monetization requirements associated with these IoT applications. So there's a lot of things that can be done there. Lots of opportunities, I think, that can be tapped upon.
Travel eSIM is something that we see increasingly impacting traditional roaming. So from your viewpoint and your members, is that something that you see as a threat or as an opportunity area?
The rise of eSIM, travel eSIM, right, is really a double-edged sword. Right? On one hand, it offers the potential for operators to boost roaming usage and wholesale revenue. On the other, it's really a threat, right? Because it lowers the barrier to entry into the travel connectivity market, and it resulted in new types of players jumping onto the bandwagon and effectively chipping away telco's market share. Now, we feel striking the right balance is probably crucial to, on one hand, safeguard the retail roaming revenue, at the same time expanding, right, what the wholesale revenue through these players could be. Is now a lot more important for our members to really collaborate and come up with new solutions and move forward in creating a wider option of services by leveraging on their strength in network quality and providing travelers with more options in roaming services. At the same time, leveraging on their strengths in network quality, which is really traditionally telco's stronghold. Right, so it's I think it's really embracing it rather than opposing it would be a better approach in our view.
So how is Bridge then, I guess, enabling or advising its members to best position themselves as this new trend unfolds?
We see ourselves as really the gateway to Asia, right? Bringing our member operators together so that we can create the best and perhaps the most innovative solutions to the roaming community and travelers at large. So with our collective membership, we welcome new roaming partners, be it in a way of technology or even travel sector, to work with us and strategize and introduce new breakthrough into the market, the roaming market. Right. In fact, we recently launched a call for collaboration where we wanted to really seek to redefine and transform the roaming experience. In today's connected world, where people frequently travel for both business and leisure, roaming has remained to be a very core focus area for British Alliance, all these years. And we believe collaboration and innovating with external parties could inject perhaps new breath or fresh air into roaming. So we really look forward to great ideas and technologies that could create additional value beyond just pure price competition. I think we really hope to welcome organizations from all sectors that we can work alongside, not only telco but even lifestyle players, right? That we can co-create new solutions and really make a difference in roaming. So I think that's how we see we could, really change the market, hopefully.
Yeah, that's the key. Openness.
Yeah, openness, embrace.
So, of course, you're members of Kaleido, you get access to our research.
Yes.
So, how has that insight feed from Kaleido helped, I guess, inform you and your members on those areas such as IoT, roaming, and eSIM?
Right. Well, I think that the insights derived from Kaleido's surveys and research has really provided us a very lucid perspective on the regional as well as global trends of IoT roaming as well as the eSIM adoption. I think these insights are substantiated significantly by both historical data that you have collected and as well as some future projections, and complemented by really comprehensive studies conducted in these domains, right? This valuable information has really played a pivotal role in guiding and informing our ongoing initiatives in these areas, right? So, and it has helped us, especially in making strategic decisions, because strategic decisions can only be made if they're based on facts and figures with some basis, right? So, I would like really to thank Kaleido for helping us with all these very important data points that guided us in our journey.
You're more than welcome. Thank you.
Thank you so much.